Many businesses were hit when the coronavirus spread across the world. That's not the case for the real estate. As one of Asia's top destinations, the real estate in Bali continues to attract the investors. But why should you invest in real estate now? Today we are in Karmagali Resort in Sanur, and let's talk about this with Herb, the owner of Beauvoir Property on Sunset Road.
Well, the obvious reason is prices are reduced. Everybody knows that. How much they're reduced is yet to be seen, based on what a willing buyer is willing to pay for what a willing seller is willing to sell for. So that's the number one reason. The other reason is when you look globally, right now is a great time to be pulling equity and or borrowing money because interest rates globally are very, very low. I mean, there's countries right now that are offering 1% or less percentage on interest rates. So if you're looking for an escalation in equity in value, borrowing from your country that you're from, the interest rates are extremely low. Looking for an upside and a quick recovery, Bali is the natural place. So that's the second reason. The third reason to invest is there's never been a selection of investments available of this size. So the selection is very large. What does that mean? It means that all areas of properties are available at very good prices. So it's not just food and beverage, it's not just villas, it's not just hotels, it's all properties. So the selection of investment opportunities in Bali is extremely good. So those are just 4 examples as to why I think that now is the time to invest in Bali. We all know that what's going to happen is as soon as the coronavirus is resolved, which it will happen, history has told us that. Every time there's a pandemic, every time there's a world financial crisis, every time there's an interest or a political issue going on. So we know that in the next 6 months to 12 months, people will be coming back to Bali and occupancies will go up, food and beverage prices will go up, everything will go up. So again, I say now is the time to buy.